The mobile meat processing lab is this whole setup here, plus that rig, plus there's a flatbed trailer on the other side if we need it. So this can all travel to your school. Predominantly, it's been at our tech centers. We are a sub-recipient from the Department of Ag. We are licensed custom exempt through the Department of Ag, so you can do custom processing. We're not inspected, so we can't do individual packaged products out the back of it. It's got a lift gate on the back to be able to bring your stuff in and out. Stairs travel with it. When we come on site, we bring trailer, all the equipment, all of that stuff. We charge a flat fee of $500 no matter where you are in the state, and that gets you everything that you're going to see here today. What doesn't come with it is an instructor. The schools are responsible for their consumables like packaging products and the product itself. What schools have typically done is for beef, they'll either bring it in quartered or at wholesale primal cuts and just focus on the, breaking it down into a retail cut.